Hello, my name is Graham Rowan, and this is the FPS 1000 high frame rate video camera. This project started about a year ago when I saw some amazing still photography shot with a still high-speed camera. It seemed amazing, these objects were frozen in time, and it really appealed to me creatively and technically. When I looked into it, there seemed to be very specialist setups. Obviously, you take a lot of time setting the equipment up, you have to time a flash with the action, and it was something that's probably out of the reach of most people in terms of complexity. So that led me on to looking at high-speed continuous video photography, and that seemed to me completely amazing, that you could actually take continuous still frames effectively and freeze things in time. And looking at the equipment that could do that, they were very expensive, very bulky, and typically had only a few seconds of video timing, because after all, 1,000 frames a second, it takes about half a gigabyte of memory to store 1 second of information. So with the onset of portable devices like phones and tablets, the flash memory market was becoming very competitive in terms of speed and cost. And I set about trying to design a memory system that was cheap and had the capacity. So that really is where the design started from. And then surrounding that with programmable logic, very high-speed components, I came up with a design that was low cost and had enough memory on board to store a minute or more of video memory. This is the full production board. It's the high-resolution sensor, available in black and white or colour. On the other side is the flash memory, the high-speed controller, and the ARM processor chip, which is all accessible to the user. There's the micro SD card slot and the USB, and the built-in LCD display. So this is the assembled camera in its case. It's low cost. It's capable of around 850 frames per second at VGA resolution. Okay, the camera has a standard C-mount lens fitting and is supplied with a 50mm f1.4 lens. As the C-mount is such a popular fitting on the market, you can buy adapters for most other lens types. So this is a Canon EOS to C-mount fitting and allows you to use a standard EOS lens. The camera is powered from an external 5-volt supply, such as this low-cost phone charger battery, and that will power the camera for at least 3 hours. The product now is completely developed. I've produced pre-production boards, and now I'm ready for mass production. This is where I need help from Kickstarter. I need to build enough boards now to be able to buy the components very cheaply and to be able to mass produce them and offer them at such a low price.
We created the 360 cam because we believe the future of video and photography should mean a more immediate and immersive experience. Everyone should enjoy making a 360-degree view. Our patented 3 lenses system makes a highly compact design possible. We form the device so small that it fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. The 360 cam is water resistant. We overcame many challenges to integrate: a curved LED screen, GPS and Wi-Fi antennas, a powerful battery for a fully functional camera. Now, it can go anywhere you want to take seamless high-resolution 360-degree video and photos. Our suppliers are ready to go. This is where we need you. Pre-order a 360 cam. We appreciate your support and feedback. We'll ship the first 360 cam to you in November. Thank you.
Recording your dive should be simple. We want high-quality recordings, but still be able to be present in the dive and not fumble with filters and buttons. So, we set out to make the world's best action camera for diving. OctoSpot is the first camera that is able to log your dive. It's also the first to automatically correct the white balance to match your depth. It records in high quality and is intuitive to use. It has a long battery life, even in cold water. We've designed everything to be operated while using gloves, and it can be mounted fast and easy. The OctoSpot is made for divers. You feel when it starts recording, and sharing your videos is easy. All you have to do is enjoy the dive. With the T-Rail click mount, you can mount and demount in a matter of seconds. It's rock solid. There's also an adapter mount, so you can use other accessories you may already have. With the third-person viewer, you can put yourself in the shot. A great learning tool for all new divers. The ergonomic mask mount fits almost any mask and records everything you see. The third-person viewer is the first of its kind. It's so compact, it fits in a pocket on your BC and can give you a whole new perspective on your dive. The OctoSpot knows exactly how deep down you are and makes sure your recordings and pictures are not tainted green or blue. It's the first camera in the world that can automatically correct the white balance to match the depth you're at. It also has electronic image stabilization. This removes shakes and creates a steady and smooth video. To avoid endless gigabytes of data and make sharing easy, we invented Snap Record. Press once to take a picture and hold to record. Easy. Connect to the OctoSpot by Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and immediately view your videos, pictures, or snaps. Depth, temperature, and time can be displayed in the video. The clips are ready to share, or you can choose to edit.
We need your help to make this happen. Back us on Kickstarter. Become part of the A-team to test and develop this camera and future products. Let's make it easy for everyone to share the deep.
What's up, Kickstarter? My name is Spencer Taylor. This is my team, and we are Vidi. We make the people's action camera.
Let's go!
We know there are a lot of other action cameras out there, and we know that the higher end ones work really well. But if you want a high-end camera for an affordable price, that's a problem. and we set out to change that.
Really what makes Vidi special is just, it's realistic.
Lots of the stuff you see on Kickstarter is undeveloped, like pre-staged stuff. But Vidi is different. Early this year, we won a pitch competition and used that money to develop a top quality camera that was still affordable for the people.
In order to make a camera that could stand up, we need to make sure that it had all the components to make it a solid camera.
Let's go!
We've got true 1080p HD, a fisheye lens with high quality glass, a professional sensor that's good in just about any lighting, fully waterproof housing, it even floats. Best part is it comes pre-charged with an SD card already inserted, ready to go right out of the box.
Vidi is all about empowering people to overcome the obstacles. And we have people that think the same way that we do, from athletes and other ambassadors that just want to be a part of what we're building.
É produto de alta qualidade e vai ser produto onde todos vão ter acesso, muito fácil. Então, estou muito feliz de participar dessa propaganda.
The world is changing and changing for the better, and I'm so happy that Vidi is a part of this change with me.
So for what you're going to pay for one of the more expensive cameras, I mean, you could literally get like 4 or 5 of these.
Also, we know that editing your raw footage is a total hassle. For all of our Kickstarter supporters who pre-order a camera or higher tier level support, they get a free trial with our boys up at Shred Video of their automatic video editing software.
Let's go!
Going into retail around the world can be expensive. And that's why the big brands can do it and the small brands can't. So here we are at Kickstarter, because those rules don't apply. What better place to launch the People's Action Camera?
We have seen what people can accomplish when they come together. Come join us. Be an early supporter of the People's Action Camera.
Give me Bill Gates on the phone. Let me make this perfectly clear, Bill, so that when I'm finished, you can still see through those thick, pretentious glasses, you psychopathic, unimaginative criminal. You stole my software, and I can prove it in court. And I'm gonna sue you for every cent that you have ever made. And I will make it my life's mission to see to it that you never, never, ever make another dollar that I don't first take 90 cents.